You are in home all the day and you don't have anything to do? Tired of daily routine? There is nothing new in your life? Wait! This is the best time to learn a new language. How? Which language? Everything is difficult? You don't have the mood? With us, you will find all new. You will entertain and meet new people. You will communicate with the whole world. We will be with you 24 hours. Come, learn the Syriac language, which is the source of the world languages. Easy, simple, and beautiful language. Will be with you teachers from different countries. You only need to download the Skype app and add the school account. You can follow us on all social media apps: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You will find the links below the video. Don't get bored of home. With us, you will be entertained more and you will not be bored. Stay home, but be with us.